The Parliamentary Committee on Trade and Investments has questioned the planned sale of an estimated 26.3 million shares of East African Portland Cement Company to new shareholders at less than half the current market price. During a session chaired by Vice Chairperson Marianne Keitany, the committee grilled officials from the Competition Authority of Kenya and Capital Markets Authority over the deal, which is allegedly pegged the shares price at 27 shillings and 30 shillings respectively. Keitany, who is also the Aldai MP, warned that the transaction would give Kalari Cement a controlling 41.7 stake, overtaking the National Treasury, which has 25.3, and the National Social Security Fund, which has 27% stakes.
Savannah Cement was a failing firm since it was unable to meet its obligation as a result of its financial performance declining since 2019, resulting in its inability to meet financial commitments on a timely basis and erosion of its net worth. The company was indebted to various classes and categories of creditors. In addition, there was a delay in payment to suppliers and further to the accumulation of debt. Based on the target's financial report for 2020, the firm would reasonably be expected to exceed the market if the merger was not materialized.
Looking at this particular scenario we are in today, and we do not like to repeat the same mistakes we have repeated in the past, and that's why I asked those questions. Because we can see this a mile away. We want to sell a company and someone is buying it at half the price, and you say you would consider looking at the price should not be more than or above 10%. But this one, because it's private treaty, we allow a private treaty to actually mark the prices down. The net effect is that the price in the stock exchange will start dropping. If they don't do a sharp drop, it will actually do a gradual drop to, by the time the share is now being sold by government, it could even be less than that. 27 could be at 9 shillings. It could be a scheme.
Interesting story right there. We'll be following up on that. Now, Garissa resident